All right, guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to execute trades or signals on your MT4 account or MT5 account. So first of all, if you have your account, you're going to go to down left side right here, and then you'll see that you have a lot of pairs on your phone, right? But the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and remove all of these pairs here by clicking on the pencil on the top left corner right there and selecting all of them, right? We're going to select as much as we can, and we're going to go ahead and delete. Okay, delete. Okay, once we delete them, we can't delete this one here because that's the chart that it's currently on. But once we delete them, we want to add the pairs that we will be taking the signals from. In our case, we're going to be using NASDAQ 100, AUD USD, and gold, which is XAU USD. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now how to add those. You simply go into this plus sign on the top right corner, and you just simply search, right? We're going to go ahead and search the AUD USD, and you click on this left icon, the screen icon on the left with the plus sign, and that will simply add your AUD USD chart. Okay. Once you're there, you could either click here and click on trading to execute a signal, or you could also click it and go to graph. Okay. My phone here is in Spanish. Don't know why. Thought I had it on English, but I should say graph right there. So once you have it on your pair list. And if you see, if we send a signal through our Telegram, which will be looking like this, right? We have our pair, which is AUD positions, which would be a buy limit. Entry price is 0.62000, so 0.62 thousand. So we're going to go ahead and go to our AUD USD, go to AUD USD, go to trading. And once we're in trading, we're going to look up here if it's a market execution, if it's buy limit, sell limit, buy stop or sell stop. In this case, it was buy limit, so we're going to select buy limit. And once again, we're going to look at what the price was. It was 0.62 thousand. So we're going to add that 0.62 thousand. And then our stop loss, we're going to check what the stop loss is. It's 0.61900, which is 10 pips stop loss. So we're going to go right ahead and add that right there as well, 0.61900. And for the take profit, we will be listing 3 different take profits for you to choose. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, with the risk to rewards and the pips that it has, right? Take profit 1 is a 1-to-1 risk to reward with 10 pips. So we could go ahead and add that 0.62100, 0.62100. So that is you could go ahead and go to trading, and you can see your buy limit is right there, which is also on your graph. So as soon as the price comes back down to your buy limit, you're going to enter as a buy, and your take profit is going to be right there. Stop loss is going to be right there. Now let's go ahead and do another example for gold. So to add gold, you could just search XAU USD. I believe you could also just search gold. Yeah, gold, and it's going to pop up right there. So we're going to press the left icon, the green icon there on the left side. That way it adds it to our pair list right here. So now that we're there, and we could go ahead and delete Euro USD if you just want to have the only pairs that we'll be sending out. NASDAQ, it depends. For NASDAQ, for you to add NASDAQ, it really depends on broker to broker or prop firms. It depends on what you decide. If you're going to decide to go with a prop firm or a broker, see exactly how they display NASDAQ, because sometimes it's displayed as US 100, NASDAQ 100, or US Tech sometimes. So, but if you just search US 100 or NASDAQ, I'm sure it'll just pop up there if they have it. But anyways, let's go to the second example here. So we'll go ahead and look at the XAU USD, which is gold. Position is a buy stop. So let's go here, select gold, trading, and this is a buy limit, so that's not the right one. We want buy stop now. Okay, and on buy stop, once we have buy stop, we're going to select our entry price, which is 2641.00. So we're going to add 2641. 0.00. The 0.00 is really not, you don't really need to add the 0.00 since it's just zeros. But anyways, then we're going to select our stop loss, which is 26.39. So stop loss would be 26.39, which would be a 20 stop loss. And then 20 pip stop loss, and then we're going to select our take profit, right? Normally, we would recommend to use the TP2, which is pretty much the best risk reward there is. It's really secure and it's a good profit factor. So let's go with gold on the TP2 with 122 risk to reward and a 40 pips take profit, which is 26.45. So we're going to go ahead, go to take profit 26.45. And we're going to click on place. Okay, and as you guys can see, oh, my buy stop actually executed already. It looks like that is AUD USD. This is gold. So let's go to the gold graph. So it's most likely that price was actually below just earlier. Yep, it was below. So since it came up and hit my buy stop, it executed that position, right? It's not a pending order anymore, like AUD USD, right? Since AUD USD, we haven't not gotten to our limit yet. On our buy stop, it got executed as soon as we got it, because as soon as I placed it, price actually hit that exact price point. So that's a good thing that it did hit it right now live on the video. That way you guys can see exactly how pending orders work, because we're mostly going to be using pending orders and not market executions. Why are we doing this? That way you guys have time to actually place the order into your MT4 before the trade actually gets to that price point. So anyways, this would be a buy stop. So it got executed, and probably because of the spread as well. Our stop loss is 20 pips down here, and our take profit is 40 pips up here, which is a 2-to-1. Now, if you want to take partials, I'm going to show you this on this video. Let's say you have the take profit 2 as a TP for the gold signal. And let's say you want to take half off on the 20 pips, right, on the TP1. So once you see price heading up to that price point, you're going to have to do this manually if you want to take partials, or you could set up two different signals, right, with half of your lot size. You could set one lot, or depending on your risk, right? But this is just an example. You have to calculate your own risk. I'll probably do another video after to show you guys how to calculate your risk. But let's say risking 1%, it's two lot sizes. So you could actually place one position with one lot size with the same stop loss, same entry, and TP1, and then another position with the one lot size with same entry, same stop loss, but instead of TP1, you'll execute it as TP2 or TP3. But if you only decide to do one position, well, the way that you could do this manually to close half of the two lots. So if you want to close one lot out of this, we just click on, we slide this to the left side, as you guys can see, and click on that check mark that we see right here. So once clicking on the check mark, it takes us to this screen, and you guys could edit how much partials you want to close. So we want to close half. We'll go ahead and put one lot size, and that should close half. So it closed half, and we have one running, and half is right there. Okay. So that's how you take signals in MT4 and MT5 for those that don't know how to take signals. And that way you guys could get familiarized. You guys could practice this as much as you can if you're a beginner and want to follow our signals. Make sure you look over this video once and once more again. That way you could really get familiarized on how to set your signals. So with that said, hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.